A very special occasion. 58th Foundation Anniversary of Barangay Calauag Naga City. This is Black. The foundation anniversary was a very momentous event since the lockdown. Alert Level 1 is now being implemented here in Naga City, so gatherings are now being seen in the city. And we are lucky to have Mayor's son at the elm as guest speaker, and he's a member at Sangguniang. Mayor Ligacion graced the 58th Foundation Anniversary celebration of Barangay Calauag Naga City, wherein the Sangguniang Conlusod members and other hopefuls also attended this occasion. Gracing the affair also our People's Organization of the said barangay, headed by Punong Barangay Ason Peñaflor. And I was tasked to sing a song, a serenade of sort for the Puting Mayor of Naga. Let's listen to this.
Ikaw kaming mayor na paborito niya. Kopya nito. Ang servisyo sa Naga nagsusupay na maray. At sa iyang presensya yan sa mong kaibuhan, ayayaon siya sa sakto at tumagan. O kaya ngunyan kita magurugman, magurugman, magurugman. Kasi mayor sa ligasyon sa to, sobra na sana. Bagusan na ngunyan ang pagservinga sa mong kasarapin na. Si Mayor Song, legasyon, malalauman. Otro ni Pamone, madali na. Pwede mo na kita. 1. Oh, chat-chat tayo. Chat-chat ba o ex-squirters? O, ulitin natin ha. Baka ulit. Energy, Calauag. Ikaw kaming mayor na paborito niya. Ang servisyo sa Naga nagsusupay na maray. Tayo kita rin maliit, ha? At sa ilang presensya ngunyan sa mong kaya yaon siya si mga pag-iripan sa sanong at tubangan. O kaya ngunyan kita magturugma, magturugma. Kasi mayor sa ligasyon sa to sobra na sana. Wag mo sana ngunyan ang pagservinga sa sakong kasarapin na. Si Mayor Song, legasyon, malalauman. Malalauman ba? Si Mayor Song, legasyon, malalauman. Ano pa? Si Mayor Song, legasyon, malalauman. Mabalas mo, PWD and women with disabilities.